Our first speaker today will be Mr. Michael Bekesha, and he is with the legal team at Judicial Watch. Michael?
Good morning. As Representative Metcalfe just said, my name is Michael Bekesha. I'm an attorney at Judicial Watch, which is a Washington, D.C. based public interest group dedicated to promoting transparency, integrity, and accountability in government, politics, and the law. Thank you, Representative Metcalfe, for inviting me here today. It's always an honor for me, on behalf of Judicial Watch, to speak with you and your colleagues about how to protect the citizens of this Commonwealth from individuals who came to our country and refused to comply with our laws. You know, I was here in 2011 when you introduced another package, part of the National Security Begins at Home. You know, but these times are very different. At that time, the federal government had decided not to enforce our immigration laws. Now, with President Trump and Secretary Kelly in office, the federal government has taken some steps to enforce our laws and protect our citizens. However, they cannot do it alone. That is why what you and your colleagues are doing is extremely important. You know, each bill that's going to be discussed today is, you know, pretty much just common sense. You know, you're going to ask that employers verify the employees they seek to hire, make sure that they can work in this country. You know, another one is to allow and require all state agencies before they provide government benefits to ask for identification and ask for verification that the people in this country can actually receive the benefits. And these are benefits that aren't allowed to be provided to these individuals under federal law. Again, you know, another common sense approach is to prevent cities and municipalities from becoming sanctuaries. And, you know, that's a heated term. It can mean lots of different things in today's world, but really what a sanctuary city is a city that doesn't communicate with ICE. So when individuals are arrested, individuals commit crimes, the federal government wants to know, because the federal government wants to make sure that folks that are breaking our laws, injuring our society, and, you know, just not complying with the law are found and removed from this country. It isn't about finding every single individual, every single illegal alien here. It's all about those, you know, as President Trump says, the bad dudes, those committing crimes and those that we really don't want on the streets. You know, and then the other two bills are more common sense. You know, they are making sure that professionals that are licensed aren't hiring people that under federal law they cannot hire. So, you know, none of these bills impose new restrictions on the manner that an alien enters the country. They don't create any new requirements for such individuals to remain in the country. They certainly don't impose new conditions under which a legal entrant may remain in this country. You know, the various bills solely seek to assist the federal government in protecting the citizens of the United States and the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania from the adverse effects of illegal immigration. You know, they will ensure compliance with federal law and attempt to curb the effects of the estimated 140,000 illegal aliens in Pennsylvania and decrease the approximate $1.4 billion of yearly costs associated with health care, education, incarceration, and other expenses for illegal aliens. Thank you.